Hi, mathematicians. Today I want you to continue to think about how numbers are made up of groups of 10 and ones. So I want you to answer some questions about some numbers. Now I want to show you how you can do this work on a Google slide, but you can also do this work on a paper easily at home if that works better for you. Okay, on our first slide it says circle the correct answer. So let's do the first one together. It says circle the number that has two tens. So I'm going to look. 32 has three groups of 10. 18 has one 10. And look, 26 has two tens. Now, to make this really easy, I'm just going to click on it. I'm going to go up to my toolbar and find my paint bucket. I can fill it with any color I want. Okay, I want you to solve the other problems. It says circle the number that has five tens. Circle the number that has four ones, and circle the number that has seven ones. Okay, let me show you how to do our next slide. On this slide, it says write how many tens or ones. So for our first two problems, it wants you to type the number for how many tens. How many tens are in 74? How many tens are in 21? And then be careful. Good mathematicians notice these two numbers are looking for how many ones. So you're just going to write the number in the ones place. All right, let's see our next slide. 4 easy peasy problems. Oh, this slide we're going to do no problem. We just talked about ways we can represent numbers. This one just says write the correct number. So I can click right below. This number has 3 tens and 9 ones. All I do is type in my number. Can you answer the other 3? And let's take a look. Our last slide, again, we just practiced this with our lesson. So I want you to write the number of blocks that you see here. So I'm going to click above it. So how much do you see? What is the value of these blocks? I see 3 groups of 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So I'm going to write that number there. Then I'm going to do the same. Count and write, count and write. All right, mathematicians, I know these problems are going to be easy for you. And if you have any questions, make sure you ask. And make sure if any of this is confusing that you tell your teacher.